come on, dog. You can't is for weakness, brother. But all it's a month spot up a month, you don't deal me like how much good things me do, boy. Look how much good things me do, boy. I phone you, I don't go like me, don't do nothing, dog. I share my platform, look how much I own you.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
What? If you fall in a coma for you?
In a coma, but...
I am chatting there. Can you go on some little man, you know, in a squash? But in fact, I know you go around them and them come around you. Because world dog them, well, world shark them not bad enough. And there's a big mouth, them have a loud mouth. And people think them people scared. But them a Lincoln tree that they jump off and them can't shut up, you know. Them can't shut up and them run go ball and beg cree, ball peace. But all I post them, I say, about the shooting with the world dog shooting. And your name mentioned. A squash name they mentioned. And you go shoot up the man over a missing gun. And they will say the same gun Willie got prison for. That they will say.
So now people, all of that is coming up into the video, as I say. But first, respect for tuning into another video, yeah. And from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. And basically right now people, we have the latest update with World Dawg. And you know that since the World Dawg incident, Miss Triple and also Swissley agree with all of the updates them. So right now we have Miss Triple agree with the latest update. Also we have an individual right now where I send a warning to Squash and I make Squash know simple left Florida. As I say. But people, you know that since the World Dawg incident, a lot of people has been saying that World Dawg has fallen into coma, etc. As I say, so right now we have Miss Triple clear up all of that, people. So basically, I just want to check out this and then we jump right back into the video.
World Dawg, alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You come out to the hospital?
You know, come out yet, but... come on. Things are improved. Him not be back himself yet, but things have improved.
Him a talk?
Lord.
Eh?
If
you fall in a coma for you?
In a coma, but... Why, Rose, I don't want to give people no update enough to tell you the truth.
Alright.
Right.
I would advise not my private.
Yeah.
They say I collect $2 for your story. Like you're hungry.
Yes.
So basically people, when I really hear Miss Triple say, yo, she don't really want to give out no update, it's because a lot of people have been bashing Miss Triple. I say, at the end of the day, Miss Triple are trying to earn half of the World Dawg situation. You see me I say? Because for all of those who don't know, TikTok has a feature that enable the users them to really subscribe to them favorite content creators. You see me I say? And you can subscribe for a little small fee, like between $2 to $5. You see me I say? And because Miss Triple, when she give the updates them both World Dawg, is like she set her life on sub only. So you know say at the end of the day, only the people them will sub to her are gonna see the live. You see me I say? And people say she try to gain from the situation. So at the end of the day, that is the reason why she really said that. You see me I say? And also you can hear she say World Dawg still not talk to just the same. You see me I say? So maybe that's why enough people say World Dawg in a coma, etc. You see me I say? But basically people, as well we already know already, World Dawg injury is not life-threatening. You see me I say? Because basically World Dawg get the shot in his arm and it just kind of broke up a couple bones and so forth. You see me I say? So basically at that World Dawg recover from. But also people, you know, a lot of people has been asking on the internet, you see me I say, and basically a lot of people are say, yo, they want to Joe. Why nobody not talk about Joe? At the end of the day, everybody just a focus on World Dawg. You see me I say, and World Dawg is still among the living while Joe lose him life. You see me I say, Joe is kind of unalive and a Fame family I feel it the most. You see me I say, and we all know that Joe has his own family. Joe even have an unborn baby in belly. You see me I say. So this individual asks a lot of questions, and this individual asks, then has anybody check up on Joe family to see how Joe family are doing? Him even say, yo, enough of the content creators on TikTok to come together, you know, get some money and try to support Joe family. You see me I say, because them I feel it the most, which is not lie. You see me I say, people, because you know say Joe lose him life in all of this. And why Joe lose him life is because him did a different world dog. Basically, the whole of world dog friend them run left him and a Joe alone stand up. You see me I say and dead as a loyal soldier. You see me I say because of loyalty that really cost Joe death. You see me I say because basically people him could have run like the rest. You see me I say so you don't know hats off to Joe and R.I.P. You see me I say and you don't know a lot of condolence to his family, friends and loved ones. You see me I say. But anyways people, I want to check out what this individual is stating and then jump on honest thoughts down into the comment section and this situation.
Me hold on a big TikTok and Miss Trippy hold on. When I keep world dog, chaka world dog situation right round the clock. Una keep chaka out Joe family they hold up. Una keep chaka Joe baby mother. Una worry about Joe and let unborn child or Joe little sibling them where them a go through. Una think about say hold on a big thing TikToker ranker if you come together and sum up some money can provide counseling for what Joe family. All on sit down the blood clot who can make money. Una try to make money who can get followers and views. That's all the whole on our chat. Talk about give people information and not worry about Red Dog baby mother. Red Dog is still among the living. This man losing life. This man's family have suffered consequences. And it's all because of trying to protect Red Dog and being around Red Dog. On the need to reach out to Joe and try to help find the murderer and try to give this man family some closure and try to know that this man need to get the highlight because this man lose him life because of loyalty. This man could have run away like the other people may run away too. It's a Uno, it's a TikTok. I'm telling you it's all about making money.
What this individual is saying, most of it is facts, as I say, and more want to drop on the honest thoughts and this down into the comment section. Let me know what you really think about it. As I say, basically, me even see enough people on the internet, yo, a bash World Dog just the same to you. As I say, enough people I say, yo, a World Dog cost Joe for dead. As I say, and at the end of the day, if World Dog never go in an altercation with money in a club, the youth that still there now. So people want to also share an opinion on that. As I say, but also to people right now we have an individual, you see me I say, and this individual is basically a bash Risley and a bash World Dog, you see me I say, and this individual has sent a warning to Squash, and I make Squash know say, yo, watch you know, you have left Florida brother, you see me I say, and basically him kind of say, yo, enough of the man them and lose up Squash thing, you see me I say, so right now, as I said before, I send a warning to Squash, and him basically I make Squash know say, watch you know, you have to guide yourself and be wise and baiting, but anyway people, want to check out this clip from this individual and share an honest thoughts down into the comment section what you really think about what you must say. You see me I say?
So what you know Squash man? Where do you know who like the fuse for the tampon for World Shark and him on a beach butter. And the next one about money and baiting. And them go at it. You realize when they bring up your name and I think about gun. Wonder if you have pretty this in a Squash. They bring up your name and them thing, but gun miss up. I'm going to show you something. You see that gun that we miss up? It only going to make people feel say. In fact, people are going to pray say, a year gun really they are prison for. All them chatting there. Because you go around some little man, you know, in a Squash. But in fact, I know you go around them and them come around you. Because World Dog them, well, World Shark them not bad enough. And there's a big mouth, them have a loud mouth. And people think them people scared. But them a Lincoln tree that they jump off and them can't shut up, you know. Them can't shut up, you know. Run go ball and beg cree, ball peace. But then when they have Fort Lauderdale, fuck on the youth, them and them shoot off them in a party. And them run and chip off the whole of them chin. So them call him chip, you know. Whole of them chin. And right now, some man chin left in the asphalt them over Fort Lauderdale. You know. Yeah, man, if him go Fort Lauderdale right now, some of them chin left in the asphalt over there. You know. Chip up. See me? I know. When them look up, and him go fuck around and return him, money God see him way. And them man there put it and make we know. So them not bad. So because them know so them have enemies in a Florida Squash, them come jump on the thing. Because everything tough. You can defend yourself. You have the money, you got the muscles, you got the... You see me I say? If you protect yourself and your resources, them come jump on your energy and I fuck on be a people on the internet. I go like them bad. But them are really some like a batty boy. But you shouldn't have any link. None at all in a squash. But all I post them, I say, about the shooting with the World Dawg shooting. I hear a name mentioned. A squash name they mention. No, how squash name reaching at this? You're artist. You work for your music video. You work for your studio time. You work for your music. You know, have nothing to do with fish tackers and batty boy on TikTok in a squash. But see what happened now? I hear a name drop in the midst of all this. Because now them are going to say, and you go shoot up the man over a missing gun. And they're going to say, the same gun Willie got prison for. That they're going to say. They're going to speculate back, say that missing gun there, where Willie got a gun there, Willie got prison for, was yours. And that they're going to say. And they must say, Butta come talk up and say, yeah, World Dawg not deal over a missing gun. Because I know him come answer back and him talk, till him start talk about bag of thing. It will look like you try silence him from saying a bag of speculations surrounding your name squash. But I give you advice, squash. As a real G to a real G, left Florida, brother. You man go somewhere else in America, brother, go. Go continue your music career, dog. Yeah, man, left Florida. Let's if you follow up on them like a batty boy, the squash, you're dead. Them are going to be a fuck with, and fuck you, going to reach you, and you're dead. Your mother love you, dog. Your mother root for you, Your mother is like your Sean Storm, Yeah, your mother root for you. You better them, you see me? You have a youth in Jamaica, dog. You have enough youth in a Salt Spring way. But no, say, you send on upon them with school and the whole heap of thing. Enough good thing you do for your people, bro. Don't make you some look a batty boy upon the app where internet bad man. We come around you, you have your little thugs and your thing and you can't protect your shit. Make you get in some fucked up situation, squash. And them jump off or some money thing, them call up your name, but missing gun. And them there Jamaica run up your mouth. Post when I come to Florida, I go shoot, man. I hear them shooting in their mouth. Because their mouth, you know. See them shooting in their mouth now. You see what happened when them shoot up him? See what happened now?
So people, when him saying that the video say, yo, World Dawg is shot in his mouth, etc. Yeah, that is a misinformation. Because at the end of the day, World Dawg didn't get shot in his mouth. You see me? I say, World Dawg got shot in his arm. You see me? And at the end of the day, people, him even say, yo, squash shouldn't surround himself with World Dawg them and Swiss Lee them. You see me? I say, because basically World Dawg a look protection because him know say at the end of the day him and a whole heap of man inner vibes. You see me I say people want to drop on honest thoughts from this and me I go leave on to be the judge of all of it. You see me I say and basically also people yes since the World Dawg incident Butta has been missing. You see me I say yeah basically Butta private is TikTok account and also nobody no really hear nothing from Butta. So a lot of people has been speculating say yo them kind of lock up Butta and police arrest Butta etc. But there is no such information from the police them about that. You see me I say. But basically people me just want to share your thoughts about everything we want to see in the video. You see me I say. Also remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. But people you already know how we do the thing over here. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.